I am Masibonge Shabalala. WorkFlow is a dual canvas no-code development platform that allows users to design full application and integrate blockchain logic without writing a code. In many African markets, SMEs face long development cycles, limited engineering capacity, and high deployment cost. IFC estimates roughly 700,000 unfilled digital roles across the continent. WorkFlow reduces months of engineering efforts to hours by combining visual UI design with no-code-based logic builder. The platform has two canvases. The design canvas builds responsive layouts using a Flexbox engine similar to professional web builders. The logic canvas defines application behavior through drag and connect nodes with typed input, async handling, and property panels. Web3 module integrates ethers.js, enabling stablecoin transfers, Oracle calls, guestless translation, and identity logic. Applications can be exported as desktop apps via Tori or mobile apps using WebView. WorkFlow supports real-time collaboration, history or version control, and a component or template market. For stablecoin workflows, predefined blocks allow developers to build treasury tools, micropayment system, or on-chain data dashboard without Solidity. The platform is feature complete across UI, logic collaboration, and exports current work, focusing on optimizing Web3 blocks and performance enhancement. Upcoming milestones include deeper integration with Oracle Framework, expanded template libraries, and structured pilot deployments. Okay, so now let me take you through WorkFlow. Firstly, you'll see this is WorkFlow. You can just drag a button to the canvas. This is a button, you can customize it on the properties. There are a lot of settings to customize. You can just write any text that you want to see on the button. You can center it. These are all the settings on the properties to customize your button. You can change the font, the size, the padding. You can also change the color of the button or the text color. You can also put a container, and you can customize the container. You can drag it to make it a bit big. You can also drag the button to make it large or wide, and also customize how your button should look. I'll change the border radius now to 30. I can also change the font style on the button and also change the mode. You can use the tablet mode or mobile mode or desktop mode. As you can see, if I'm using the mobile, it will just restrict me to a mobile view. You can also change the tablet mode. Also on the tablet mode, it will restrict me, and also on the desktop mode. You can also change the background of your application. You can also use the eyedropper to change the background. You can also see the logic which acts like a backend of your app, which has a lot of logic blocks. So now I will load a project that I did to just save time. This is a stablecoin project I created for the demonstration. I used the mobile mode and I put a button. This is a connect button. I just dragged the connect button to the center and customized it. Wrote the connect wallet on the button, and also customize how it should look on my application. You can also change colors of your button. I made mine purple. And also change the background. You can also create another screen. This is how I create a screen. Yeah, but for now I've created two screens, which is a welcome screen and a home screen. Let me go to home screen. On the home screen I have this button, get live USD price, and I also have a text or label written loading. I customized my get live button and also customized my text or label. These are just my properties, the button properties, and this is my text properties. This is the button. The connect wallet is also a button. You can just drag it on the components. And then now we're gonna go to my logic, which acts as a back end. This is my logic. I dragged on connect wallet. You just drag the logic block. You can drag any property that you want, any logic that you want. You can drag transfer tokens, where you can transfer the ERC tokens. For now, I did on wallet connect. You can see the properties of the on wallet connected logic block, where you can just on next you can just navigate to a certain screen, or you can just change the block properties. As you can see, I'm having a property to run it on chain. You can just choose any chain. I am currently using net. Then after it's connected, it will navigate to my home screen. And let's see the logic block navigate to screen. Upon connecting your wallet, you can navigate to the home screen. You can just choose any screen. Now let's see the functionalities on the home screen. We have on button click. If that get live USD price is clicked, it will fetch an API. What API is it fetching? On the fetch API block, you can see that we are fetching an API URL that would get the price of the USD coin. Then it will change the property from loading to the USD coin price. This is the button. After clicking it, it will just show you the USD coin price. Then I'll save my project. After saving my project, I will go back to the design canvas. On the design canvas, I will go to the first page, which is my welcome screen. You have to go to the first screen that you want to run, and then I will run to preview. This will show how your app will look on your mobile application. Then after clicking connect wallet, I will connect to my wallet. I'm using my MetaMask for now, and Sepolia wallet. Then I'm connecting my wallet to my application. It is connected, as you can see. Then I'll click the get live USD price button. That will fetch the information from the API. Then boom, it showed me my USD coin that it got from the API. That is how WorkFlow works, and you can just stop it from running. You can also drag wallet address to see your wallet address or stablecoin balance or any components that you want. You can put any logic that you want, like show alert. You can just drag show alert. It will show you any alerts that you want. You can drag a red chain link price. You can also put the logic to transfer ERC tokens. You can also write a smart contract using WorkFlow. Just by dragging and drop, you can also read anything from the smart contract. You don't need to write any code. You can also export on desktop using Taurus or export mobile using WebView. or seeking partners building stablecoin applications who want to accelerate deployment using no-code tooling, WorkFlow demonstrates how non-developers can build production-level applications that integrate stablecoins, identity, and on-chain data. The sandbox is accessible via the QR code.